So, students, welcome back to the second session for today. And I have given you two questions from exercise 4.4. Here, I am going to stop this share and I am going to start your. I want you to share your videos one by one. Number one. Okay, so here students are showing their work. Okay, 4.4 question number 5. Let me check. Question 5 is a plus 7 is less than 8. A plus 7 is less than 8. So we get a is less than 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Very good. Now what about the second question? Second question, I have given you question number 12. Let me check the question first. X over 2 plus 8 is greater than 19. Yes, question copied is correct. Now subtracting 8, we get 19 minus 8 is 11. 19 minus 8 is 11. So here by multiplying 2 on both sides, we get x is greater than 22. Okay, now turn the page. Everybody keep your notebook in front of the screen ताकि मैं आपका जल्दी जल्दी देखूँ. So the solution set का नाम क्या है बेटे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में x, ठीक है ना? So hence the solution set x is equal to बिल्कुल सही 23, 24 and so on. Very good. Now the next student here, second one is Ramla. More closer bete, closer, more closer, or okay, very good. So we get a is less than 1. Correct answer. What about the second answer? What about the second answer? Yes, x is greater than 22. Perfect. By multiplying 2 on both sides. Very good. Next is Sania. नेक्स्ट सानिया. सानिया बेटे इक्वल टू साइन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. यू हैव रिटन इज इक्वल टू ए इज़ लेस देन 1, ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी आपने सिंबल इनइक्वालिटी का ही बनाना है, अदरवाइज परफेक्ट. ओके, यहाँ पे बिल्कुल सही किया है. बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 8 ऑन बोथ साइड वी गेट x over 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 11. वेरी गुड. बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 2 ऑन बोथ साइड, perfect. Hence solution set x is equals to this. Acha, in question 1, hence the solution set a is missing over here. In the first answer you have to write a. Perfect Sania, very good bete, very good. Acha, here I have checked the homework work of these three students. Now the next one is Iman. Iman, very good. A is less than 1. We get 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. And in the second question you have done by subtracting 8 on both sides, we get x over 2 is greater than 11. Now turn the page. Okay, by multiplying 11, by multiplying, but why we are going to multiplying with 11? Very good. By multiplying 2 on both side. अच्छा students, whenever you are showing me the copy और मैं आपको कोई correction बोलती हूँ, आप लोग घबरा के videos off कर देते हैं. तो kindly keep your videos on, ताकि on the spot अगर आप correction करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है. तो we get x is greater than 22. When x is there, तो the solution set का नाम भी हम रखेंगे, क्या रखेंगे? So hence the solution set x. Okay, solution set x is equals to 23, 24 and so on. Very good, very good Iman. And all the students are not turning their videos on. This is not the way. I will not mark your attendance, students. Okay, if you are not turning on your videos, if your question is incomplete, doesn't matter, just show me your work. I'm not asking you to like that. Afra, yes, quickly bete. So Afra is there. Afra, yes, show me the work. Okay, by subtracting 7 on both sides, we get x is greater than 1. We get 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Okay, next question Afra. Next question. Okay, here we have subtracting 8 from both side, we get x over 2 is greater than 11. Very good, Afra. ठीक है, everything is correct, but a little bit um, cutting is there, but it doesn't matter. You have solved the question properly, and within the time you have completed this question. I really appreciate this. Here Ali joined the class right now. Ali, you are too much late. Here I want Hania, Asya, Ola, Mirarham, Ali. Please turn on your videos and show me your work. Now, beta, the next question is from chapter number 12. We have already discussed this question. ठीक है ना, हमने ये question already discuss कर लिया है, right? The question which we are going to discuss today, or we are going to solve, is this one. Okay, the question is, read the question with me. Construct a triangle ABC when measurement AC, angle A, angle B is given. Can you draw a rough sketch for this data? Can you draw? Quickly draw it and tell me that is it possible to make a triangle by using this data? Quickly. Very good. Is it possible? Yes, Halima, is it possible to draw a triangle by using this data? Or is it a wrong question, or something is missing? Okay, Sumaya is raising her hand right now. Sumaya, Sania, Sheroz, Ramla. These 4 students are raising their hand. Let me check what they are trying to tell me. Okay, Sumaya, Sania, unmute yourself, both of you. Ramla, 3 of you unmute yourself. Yes. बेटे, what we have to do? Yes.
टीचर, एंगल सी निकालना होगा.
Very good, very good. Who, Sumaya, you have given me the answer?
Yes, miss.
Very good. So bete, how can we find angle C? Ramla is also there with me. Ramla, Sania and Sumaya, do you know the answer? How can we find angle C?
Miss, 90 degree plus 45 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree.
Perfect. Perfect. By using the equation. Very good, Sumaya. Very good. Here the students Halima, Sania, Sumaya, Sheroz, Ramla, they all know the correct answer as they were raising their hand. Very good. But one by one I have to take the answer. तो मैं सबको यहाँ पे चांस देती हूँ टू गिव मी द आंसर. बट प्लीज़ व्हेन यू नो द आंसर, व्हेन यू वांट टू शेयर योर आंसर विद मी, प्लीज़ रेज योर हैंड and share your answer with me. So here Sumaya has given me the answer that in this data angle C is missing. We cannot construct a triangle without angle C. Why we cannot draw? Why we can't draw a triangle by using this information? Why we cannot draw a triangle? Now let me tell you by my video. I'm going to turn on my video and let's discuss it properly. Okay, can you see my video? Yes, students, can you see my video right now? Beta, the question is, construct a triangle ABC when measurement AC is equals to 6.1, measurement angle A is equals to 90 degree, measurement angle B is equals to 45 degree. What is the reason why we cannot draw a triangle by using this information, by using the data? Why we can't draw it? Because if I draw a rough sketch over here, first I have to draw a line segment AC. Okay, AC is equals to 6.1. okay, at angle A I have to draw 90 degree, so in this way I draw the 90 degree, right? I can draw 90 degree over there. Now beta, the second angle which is given is angle B. angle B. How can I draw angle B over here? When vertex C is over there, how can I draw angle B 45 degree over here? Okay, if in the question angle C is equals to 45 degree, then we can easily draw here angle C is equals to 45 degree, and we can draw the triangle properly without using that equation. Okay, but here the problem is that angle C is missing. So step number one is step number one is first what you have to do, you have to write given, required, and then you have to first find the missing angle. That means to find measurement angle C. We know that what we know that to find measurement angle C, we know that measurement angle A plus measurement angle B plus measurement angle C is equals to 180 degree, because the sum of measure of all the angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now students, angle A is equals to 90 degree, so write down 90 degree over there. Angle B is equals to 45 degree, write down 45 over there with the degrees as well. Now measurement angle C is missing angle, so we can write like this. Now 90 plus 45 is equals to 135 degree plus measurement angle C. Okay, now we want to find measurement angle C. This 135 is adding over here. When we move it towards the right hand side, it is going to be subtracted from 180 degree, and we get 180 minus 135 is equals to what? Is equals to 45 degree. That means angle C is equals to 45 degree. Angle C is equals to Sanya 45 degree. Now by getting angle C is equals to 45 degree, we can put the protector over there, we can put the D over there, and we can draw 45 degree over there like this, right? And we can draw here 45 degree over there, and by these two intersecting rays, we get this point B over here. And when you check angle B, it must be of 45 degree. Is it clear now? Okay, then what you have to do, first you have to write given, required, and then you have to find measurement angle C, and here you have to write the steps of construction, heading of steps of construction. And look at the question, you have to draw 90 degree with the help of compass. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, that the question which you have to do from exercise 12.1 is the same question. That means question number 3, bit number 11. Start the question with me. Okay, start this question with me. Question is on page number 165. Okay, measurement AC is equals to 6.1. okay, measurement AC is equals to 6.1. everything is properly mentioned over there. Start this question with me. Okay, now everybody, let's draw the diagram, let's draw the triangle. Acha, which kind of triangle is this? Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Here I'm going to take the answer from Hania. Hania, 1 second. Hania, unmute yourself, bete. Which kind of triangle is this?
Miss, isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. And if I'm talking about
Right angle triangle.
Very good. It's a right angle triangle. Now let's start the work. Hania, jaldi se, we are going to construct a right angle triangle together on this interleaf page. Hania, first of all, Afra, Ali Asif, Amna Maqsood, Asya, better take your pencil in your hand and draw a line segment of 6.1 centimeter. Okay, 6.1 centimeters. Draw a line segment. Done, everybody? Where is 6? Here is 6 centimeter. Then after 6 centimeter there is 6.1. Okay, draw a line segment. AC is equal to 6.1 centimeter. Everybody, okay, draw the line segment. AC is equals to 6. This is a step of construction number 1. Okay, draw a line segment. AC is equals to 6.1 centimeter. Now student, at A we have to draw a right angle by using the compass. Here I want one student to unmute yourself please and tell me how can we draw a right angle on A. Yes, Halima, at A what I have to do, Halima? At A, Halima, I can't hear you, bete. Yes, Hania, what I have to do? Hania, unmute yourself. Yes, Hania.
Miss, at A, we have to put our compass and draw 96.
Put the compass at A. We have to open the compass either half or more
than half.
Okay, and we have to draw a semicircle, Hania. Then what we have to do? We have to put the compass where?
On the next point which we have get the middle point.
Okay.
And intersect the previous arc.
Okay, we have to put the compass here on the intersecting point where this semicircle intersect AC. We have to put the compass on here, on this intersecting point, like this. Okay, and we have to make one arc over here, right? And then we have to put the compass on the first intersecting arc like this, and we have to make two arcs. Okay, Iman, we have to make two arcs, one on the semicircle and one above the semicircle. Okay. Now where we have to put the compass? On the first or second? Second intersecting arc. Okay, on the second intersecting arc we can put the compass on the second intersecting arc like this. We can put the compass on the second intersecting arc. Everybody, can you see this? Okay, now draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. Okay, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. Again I am telling you, here Muhammad Ali is there with me. Bete, first what we have to do, we have to put the compass at A. We have to draw a semicircle. Now on this intersecting point where the semicircle intersect AC, we have to put the compass over here. We have to make first arc on the semicircle, then we have to put on the first arc when we have to draw two arcs. We have to draw two arcs, one on the semicircle, one above the semicircle, right? And then finally we can draw here A, and these two arcs we are going to join this A, and finally we can draw A. You can mention the name A, M, A, X, but you can't mention the name Hania. आप इसका नाम यहाँ क्या नहीं दे सकते? हम यहाँ पे B नहीं कह सकते, right? We can give the name here, for example, A, M. We can say that AX, AE, but we can't say that this is AB. ठीक है? B कब आएगा? When we get the two rays, when we get these two rays intersecting each other, that intersecting point here, that intersecting point gives us B. Is it clear, everybody? Now bete, what we have to do, this is 90 degree. Bete, how can we check this is 90 degree? Finally, can we check that this is 90 degree? How can we check that this is a proper 90 degree? By using? Exactly, by D we can check that is it of 90 degree. So you can check your angle A, that it is of 90 degree. You can put the you can put the D over there on your diagram and you can see that it is perfectly 90 degree. Okay, now what you have to do, finally you have to put the protector, you have to put the D on where you have to put the D on, Hania, where we have to put the D? Okay, here I'm going to unmute. Yes, Sheroz, unmute yourself, bete.
Yes, miss.
Bete, now where we have to put the D? At which point we have to put the D?
At C, miss,
At
45 degree.
with 45 degree. Bete, we have to take the reading. We have to check that. Bete, 45 is mentioned on the right hand side and on the left hand side as well. Now, which reading I have to take?
Left hand side.
Left
Left-hand side.
Very good. Here we can see that, ये देखें, 40 degree, and between 40 and 50 there is a point of 45 degree. Okay, now just mark this point here and remove the protector and okay. So what we get here, we get a ray C.
Yes, miss.
If it is AM, then what will be this ray C?
CAM.
C
Angle CAM.
CN. This ray must be CN, and this CN intersecting AM at point. This point is called
B.
B. Very good. We get
B.
We get B. This angle is of 45 degree, bete. And what about angle B? What about angle B? You can check your angle B. How can you check? Iman, look at the diagram, bete. How can you check angle B by yourself? You have to put the D in this way. Now, you have to put the D in this way and just check out that 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. Is it clear? How can we get angle B? By putting the protector, by putting the D on your given figure, you can easily check that if your angle B is perfectly of 45 degree, that means you have done it correctly. Okay? Angle B. दोबारा बता रही हूँ बेटे, what we have to do, we have to put the D, not like this, we have to put the D here on the B, like this. Here, look at the diagram. We have to put the D properly on B, and here we can check that it is perfectly of 45 degree. It is perfectly of 45 degree. Now, step number 1. Everything is clear, bete? If there is any problem, you can raise your hand. So here, students who are raising their hand, please put your hands down, and if you are having any problem, then raise your hand. First, put your hand down, everybody. Put your hand down, everybody. And if you are having any problem, then raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Okay, Sania is raising her hand. No one is raising her. Okay, Sania is raising her hand. Yes, Sania. Any problem, bete? Yes, Sania.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मिस, मैंने बोलना था कि मिस मुझसे एक मिस्टेक हो गई है. मैंने वो जो मिस प्रोसेस था ना फाइंडिंग सी का, वो मिस मैंने गिवन और रिक्वायर्ड से पहले लिख दिया.
Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter.
बस मिस यही. और मिस स्पीक अ लिटिल बिट लाउडर. मिस थोड़ा सा तेज बोलें.
Okay, sorry, Sania. Okay, now what about now? ठीक है.
Yes, miss, it's okay.
अच्छा, Sania, wait a minute. Sania, what will be the
Yes,
step
miss.
number 1? Sania, what will be the step number 1?
Draw measurement AC is equal to 6.1 centimeter.
Draw measurement AC is equals to 6.1.
6.1 centimeter.
What I have to draw over here?
Miss line, sorry.
Line segment.
Line segment, sorry.
Now, step number 2 क्या होगा? What will be the step number 2?
Step
At
number
A.
2.
At A, what I have done? At A, making an angle. At A,
making an angle 90 degree.
हाँ 90 degree name is what is the name of that
N.
angle at
M.
M is not then angle M तो एक जस्ट नेम है एंगल का नेम क्या है यहाँ पे इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ माई लेक्चर मैंने आपको एंगल ए का नेम बताया था कि एंगल ए का नेम आप कैसे दे सकते हैं ये देखिए लुक एट द फिगर एंगल
Yes, miss.
एंगल ए लुक एट दिस एंगल लाइक दिस
M.
हाँ एम
MAC.
very good so at A let's write down this step together then Hania I am going to unmute you and I will take the I will discuss step number 3 with you ठीक है at A ठीक है at A making measurement angle MAC is equals to MAC is equals to what Sani 90 degree
90 degree.
90 degree draw क्या किया हमने we have draw a m
M.
draw
Yes,
a m
AM.
it's a ray
Yes.
right it's
It's a ray.
it's a ray very good Sanya next turn is of Hania okay Hania what will be the step number 2 yes Hania
At C, making angle YCA 45 degree, draw CY which intersects AX at point.
a अच्छा okay you have mentioned here x and y ठीक है very good so at C making measurement angle बेटे according to my figure Hania I have given the name n and here I have given the name n and m so I am going to mention n ठीक है n
NC,
C A very good is equals to what 45 degree then draw
draw CN
draw CN
which
intersecting
intersects AM at point B.
intersecting AM at point
Point B.
B. Now finally, what will be step number 4?
Triangle ABC is the required triangle.
Perfect. So there is no need to write down that join A to B, B to C. Already we get the rays, na? है ना हानिया? तो triangle ABC is our required triangle. Right? That's it. So we have completed this question properly. I think everything is clear. Halima, everything is clear? Yes, student, everything is clear. Have you completed this question? Acha, if you want to share, if there is any query, raise your hand and discuss if you are having any problem. If you are having any problem, raise your hand and discuss your problem with me. Bete, I can give you the question in the geometry section like this, and I can ask you that can we draw the diagram easily, or we have to do something else. So you have to draw the rough sketch, and by drawing the rough sketch you can get the idea that first we have to find C here. ठीक है? तो I think that this question is properly clear to you now. Raise your hand if there is any problem. Okay. Yes, Anya, you are raising your hand. Any problem? No?
No, miss, I don't have any problem.
Okay. So I think there is no problem with anyone. Can you show me the diagram, everybody? Have you drawn? Everybody? Muhammad Ali is there. Ali, you are not turning on your videos. That's not fair. Ali, turn on your video right now. Ali? Ali, turn on your video right now, please. Quickly. Talha, Muhammad Talha, Bete Abdullah, Vania, Sumaya, Subhana, Nuseba. Bete, everything is clear or not? Is there any question? Acha. Acha, if you are not raising your hand right now here, I am going to unmute you. I am going to give you the chance. You can ask me the question through the chat box. And one more thing. Please mention the name in the chat box so that I can mark your attendance. Okay? I can mark your attendance over there, and some students are not answering me, then I will not mark their attendance. Yes, Ali Asif, this question is clear, bete. Ula Fatma is there with me. Ula Fatma, unmute yourself. Ula, beta, quickly. Ula, unmute yourself, bete. Ula, this is clear or not?
Yes, miss.
Bete,
Yes,
assalamu alaikum. This question is clear?
Yes, miss. Yeah.
ठीक है. Ula, have you attempted mock number 1 yesterday?
No, miss. Miss, my mobile is not working.
Okay, but bete, I inform you today that your mock 2 will be conducted by tomorrow. ठीक है, तो try to attempt it. It is given for your practice. जब तक करेंगे नहीं आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा कि how you can complete that mock properly on time. अब you have to attempt the mock properly on time so that you can able to attempt your final term paper as well. So students are okay. Ola, so here some students. Subhana, I want Subhana to please show me your work quickly. Subhana, yes Subhana. Okay, upward, little bit upward. Okay, so we get A, C and B. That's correct. Ali Asif, you are saying something in the chat box. It's not clear. Please write it. आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही. नेटवर्क इशू. एवरीवन इज़ लिसनिंग टू मी. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि माई वॉइस इज़ नॉट क्लियर, my voice is not coming to you? Okay Subhana, that's great. Now next turn is of Halima, can you put the compass on can you put the protector D on B? I want to check 45 degree. Little bit closer. Okay, I think it's 45 degree. That's good. Next one here. Sheroz, Hania. Okay, Hania is there. Hania, yes Hania. Okay, so here we get bit a centimeter. 6.1 centimeter is missing. Hania, can you put your D on 45 degree of yes, first on C. I want to check C first. That's correct. Now put it on B. Sania, bete kindly keep your D also on B. मैं फिर आपको spotlight पे ला रही हूँ quickly. Okay, this is of 45. Everybody, very good. Everybody put excellent. देखिए, this is properly visible to me. Everything is visible properly to me. That this is देखिए 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. In this way we can get angle B is equals to 45. Excellent Hania. Then show me your steps of construction. Right now I am going to check Sania's work. Sania, wow. Sania here 45. One second Sania. Okay, it's little bit more than 45. ठीक है, I think it's 46. ठीक है, एक दफ़ा फिर ट्राई करेंगे, इंशाल्लाह it will be perfect. It is 90 degree. Yes, it is 90 degree. Show me 45 degree. Okay, you have written the steps of construction as well. Very good Sania. Draw measurement AC. Very good. At A, making measurement angle MAC is equals to 90 degree. Very good. At C, making angle NCA. Very good. Draw CN. Bete, we have to make a ray on CN. ठीक है, ray on CN. That's great. ray बना दीजिए, arrow. Yes, ABC is our required triangle. Okay Halima, you are raising your hand but you are not. Yes, 45 degree. It's perfect, but there is a little problem over here in angle B. The angle is 46. Yes, angle A and angle C is perfect. There is a little mistake in angle B. Now next turn is of Halima. Very good. Next turn is Halima, of Halima. Yes, Halima, good. Good. Turn the page. That's great, Halima. Show me the diagram. Okay, that's great. That's great. Now here Sheroz, Iman. Bete quickly show me the videos. Sheroz and Iman. Iman, you are completing the work. Acha, chale. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Sheroz, have you done? Okay. So show me the very good, very good. Show me the diagram. Show me the construction. A C B. Very good. Angle B. Sheroz, your angle B is equals to 45 degree. Yes or no? Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Perfectly.
Yes, miss.
It is perfectly of 45 degree.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Acha, it's okay, Ola. Okay, Ola. See you. Okay. Okay, I want to see you daily. Okay, Ola? Kindly attend my class daily. I want to see everyone on time. If you are having any problem, you can discuss it with me. Okay, but be there on time. Attend the class properly on time. Very good. Isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. Very good. It's properly, everything is mentioned here. Where is Muhammad Ali? Yes, Ali. Unmute yourself, Ali. Muhammad Ali, unmute yourself.
What, miss?
Ali, you have not shown